like and subscribe.
Jamal, also known as Dunce Man, is a dynamic and fast-rising dancehall artist. His emergence on the music scene in recent years has captured the attention of fans and industry insiders alike. Although he has been making music for a good while, he gained traction in November 2021 with the song Millions, with the music video being released in March 2022. Personally, this song is in my top 3 best scammer songs in dancehall history. This song quickly grew his fanbase, but in 2024, Jamal went to another level with songs like One Chop, 300 Block, Psalms, and, of course, Ballandor. Ballandor is his biggest song to date, with even a public co-sign from Vybz Kartel, which only made the song more popular, and Jamal further grew his fanbase overnight. Jamal's success in 2024 has positioned him as one of the most talked about artists in Jamaica, with his unique style and authentic storytelling resonating with a broad audience. His rising popularity led to performances at major events, including a notable appearance at Vybz Kartel's Freedom Street concert on New Year's Eve.
Everybody was cigars to big up yourself. I want Dunce Man in a real life. Mr. Golf, Mr. 90s. A Jim Brown badness. Father, you say your favorite song. You don't know what you do. Dark with dark coming home. Did I feel my respect, Father. All of alone. Love alone. Tell us what you're not for me, I think. Tell us what you're not. I'm singing. Big bubble, I'm in my iPhone. I want the car and I like to open the
His 2024 didn't stop there. Days before his appearance on Freedom Street, he released his EP, Rated D For Dunce. It is a solid 8-track project that has no skips, and is very cohesive with his usual themes that have resonated with fans through his raw depiction of street life, personal struggles, and triumphs. Standout tracks for me are All Eyes on the Dunce, Transparent, All the Time, and what could potentially be his biggest song to date, Time. Time has been trending heavily not only on YouTube but even on social media, and this is without a music video. This song is currently making Jamal one of the most popular dancehall artists in Jamaica, which has helped him have a great start in 2025. With his determination, unique sound, and growing fan base, Jamal is poised to become a significant force in dancehall music. Remember to continue streaming Rated D For Dunce, and while you are at it, remember to like and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.